Welcome back in another brand new spot. See how this one goes today. Bit of seaweed around, but we're going to give it a fair punt, and we've got the new drone. First test run for that. All right. So
I've just been watching the tip, just little tap tap.
Yeah.
Tap. So there's obviously, as we know, fish out there, but
what is it? Yeah.
That's the thing, mate. See, it'd be nice if we're just sitting there like this talking, and all of a sudden, because I've got the drag loose on that.
Yeah, zing.
Zing.
Yep.
All right.
Absolutely, man. That's my favourite. So first one, mate. Bit newer than mine. Mine got my other one, you know, obviously been smashed. Gee, it's beautiful here today. It's so nice. This spot really gets up and boogies when it's rough. Mine's set nice. Bit of weed. These are sitting beautifully out there, the drone rigs. Bit of weed in close. As they're both sitting nicely in the water, so looks like we made the right decision in the end to try here. I just remember coming here countless times and just seeing like the whole beach, and sorry, the shoreline where the water breaks, right covered in weed. Oh, I just got a bite. Are ya? Oh! What's he got? Still on? Might not still be on anymore. Oh, this is good signs though. We're heading into the bite times. This is great signs. Might as well bring it in anyway, mate. But I think it might have come off. I'm getting still some little nibs on mine. Mine's only about 200 out now, so it's not quite in the zone, but still feeling weight, are you? Could be seaweed.
Maybe seaweed, but
oh, you nearly had it there. Didn't get the big zing though, did you? Nearly, mate, nearly. Been out straightened, so. Oh, you've got something. You've still got a shark.
Yeah.
What? That's a gummy, mate, I'm pretty sure. Oh, yes. Yeah! There it is!
there it is, brother.
You've done it! Woo!
Look at that.
Yes! Look at that!
You beauty!
That wasn't even a real fight for this puppy. Saragossa. Pen Prevail too. Can't believe he's still on there. We're like, no, he's got nothing on.
That's it. It felt like it had to, every now and then I was bringing it, then every now and then it just did a little, and I thought, oh, just pulling through a seaweed.
Yeah, he was just flat, eh? But that's what happens sometimes. Sometimes you still got something on, they just don't want to fight. They've just already had a big battle.
Because what I was finding odd, when I was bringing it in here, it was over there, right? And all of a sudden, it was going that way.
Yeah, straightened you up. Yeah. Yeah, I suppose it's your new combo, so you're not sure how it feels yet and all that, you know? All right, can we double up?
So what sink you using the 6s, were you?
Nah, size 4. 6, that's massive.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
what
I'd only use that on a boat. Yeah, size 4.
Yeah.
3 or 4 will do the job, but generally a 4. Let's go. No, it's staying there. See, this purchase has almost paid for itself already. Now we head into the bite time, so very hopeful.
So you can smell that ammonia, eh?
Oh yeah, hard. So distinct. Better that you can smell it than it's in your fish, mate.
So what do you reckon, eh? I'll try for a bit of trailer again, but...
Yeah, might as well. Yep. Get some seaweed on the line there. It's a bit coming through now, but we got the fish. What's he got, folks? Let me know when it gets close, I'll give you a hand. Maybe another shark, eh?
I don't know. Can't pick this one. Say it's the same.
Yeah, it's there. So I think it's another one. There's a nice patch of bronzies there, mate. Oh, that weed's coming in now. I've got killer weed on mine. Yeah? It's probably got a 100 metres under.
Yeah, maybe.
Wow, are you getting a workout with this setup, mate? Hey? Dublin. Oh, it's definitely not a Sambo. You know when you got them on. Fight of your life. Yeah, we're on each other, mate.
Right at the ends too.
Yeah.
There's something
Yeah, something definitely grabbed it.
Only one hook.
Oh, spewing, it bit you off.
Yeah. Oh, Mum! Yes? Yep.
It was. Oh, what's going on here? Are you still on, mate? This feels so different. Yeah. Yeah, that was a bite, alright. Are you still on? Don't know. Swimming in the rod would be straight, so. Well, I'm gonna bring it in anyway. Have a look. Yeah, I think I've still got weight there. Went well, didn't it? Dang! Yeah, I think it's still there. Just want to get away from this death weight if we can. This might be a little shark as well. That'd be great. Haven't got one of those before. Both catch, it's usually one or the other. Might as well get it in anyway, because I'm not just, I don't know, it doesn't feel right, it's not right. Oh, it feels like a fish now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
You're on.
Oh!
You're on. Yeah, baby!
Onto something. Nah. Come on, let's get a double hook up. I think I'm past all the deathweed now. Oh! Oh! This might be a ray. Let's hope it's not though. Could be a bigger shark. And 100 if I'm lucky. Oh, she's angry, mate. It does not want to come in. Oh, good if we can just land it, whatever it is. Oh no, there's a fish there, it's a shark. It's a shark.
There's a shark. Yeah, you're on.
Double R on the sharks. And it is lots of seaweed too. Oh, he's a big one. Yep. It's on the small bait again. He's got power, right? Alright, he can't get you. Oh, he's fat. He is fat.
Wow.
Yeah, look at you, boy. Yeah. Look at that.